How is it that when you de-stress, your skin improves? So, in the hustle and bustle world that we live in, it can be hard sometimes to find a moment of peace, to be in ease, especially when we have this device called our phone all the time in our pockets, constantly notifying and everything about everything that's happening around us, in the world and in our world. We always in the know, in like being available for people, and our brain just can get super overload and super triggered from all the information. When we are stressed, it isn't just that something that we feel mentally, it's actual hormones in our body, and it's very physically. So, our appetite can change. We can feel, chest pain, abdominal pains, the muscles feel tight. We feel exhausted because it takes a lot of energy from our body to be in a state of stress when all these crazy hormones are rushing and running in our body. And as stress is sometimes not really diagnosed, by doctors, it's not something that we should take lightly. A little stress here and there is necessary to our survival, is something we can deal with, but there is no living creature that can be in a constant state of stress and not harm the body. And one of the things that will be show all this stress is your skin. It's something that you probably experience. You see, like, your eyes, maybe like you have a bigger dark circles, or your skin is just dull and tired. It's when our body in a state of stress, again, the hormones of stress, cortisol, is released into the bloodstream, and start play games on all the body balance and harmony. And how it can show up on your skin are several ways. One way it can show up is the disbalance of oils. Oil glands begin to produce excessive oil, and that can cause irritations and breakouts. Acne. Multiple studies have shown that the face can begin to break out again because of this balance. Excessive oil, like I said before. Fine lines and wrinkles. Skin, for example, around the eyes or just the rest of the face, begin to lose elasticity due to lack of sleep, and the stress of the body and the energy that it costs to balance. And this, the skin starts to compromise the way it produce, for example, elastin and collagen, and this is when fine line and wrinkles start to appear. Another way is rashes. Stress can lead to weakened immune system, imbalance the body, and can evoke rashes and irritations. And again, dry and irritated skin. When stressed, the outer layer of your skin start to lose its protection barrier, and that's what holds the moisturizer on the skin. When the barrier of the skin is compromised, we lose moisture, and the skin start to be super dry. So after that, what are easy ways that we can de-stress and improve the skin on the way? Yes, natural skincare are amazing, and they really help with all the issues above. Sometimes they are not enough to underline problems that affecting the skin. We wanna address the source and the causes of the symptoms. So with combining your natural and healthy skincare routine with daily stress reduction actions, your skin will gonna start to appear better and you will feel better. So that's a beautiful combination. One way, exercise, moving your body. You know, you heard it thousands of times. We move the body, like we move the blood flow, we release the endorphins, we feel better, and the cortisol level will get lower. Sleep. It's crucial to get a good sleep, at least 7 hours if possible. This is when our body restore, regenerate, and recover. You want to schedule me time. Find time in your busy schedule to take a break, take a walk, read a book, meditate, have a cup of tea in your favorite mug, listen to something nice, just a little bit of me time. Another way is to express how you feel, talk it out, don't bury it all inside if you find a safe place to express yourself. Go outside, even for a few minutes, even if it's cold. The freshness of the air will change your hormonal balance. Give yourself the opportunity to receive. Book a relaxing massage, a relaxing treatment. Let go, surrender, and let someone else take care of you. I promise you, your stress level, hormones will go down and you will feel much better and your appearance will improve. Not only because the facial was awesome, but because you relaxed. I always say to my clients in the beginning, when we just meet, when I introduce myself, one of the big intentions of my salons is to give you a space to relax. When you relax, you get better results.